Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are well and keeping safe. For today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this eye look. All the products which I have used for this look will be mentioned in the description box. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. And if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you won't miss any of my videos. Now without any further delay, let's get started. Firstly, I'm going to create a base for my eyeshadows. I'm going to use Swiss Beauty Concealer in the shade 02 Sand Sable, and with Pro Art PF01 brush, I'm cleaning underneath my eyebrows and applying the concealer all over my eyelid. I'm also going to blend the concealer with the help of a damp beauty sponge and also going to set with a Maybelline loose powder. Next, I'm applying a sticky tape so we can have that sharp eyeshadow look. For eyeshadow palette today, I will be using the Morphe X Dreamstars palette. I'm gonna grab this warm brown eyeshadow with a blending brush from London Pride Cosmetics, and first I'm going to apply this on my crease and blend it. I'm gonna go back and forth like this and then slowly start blending it higher than my crease, that is towards my eyebrows. That's how it's gonna look nice and blended. Next, I am going to mix these two shades, and using a smaller blending brush, I am going to apply this in the tapping motion on the outer corner of my eyelids. I want this in the outer V to deepen up that area. Next, I am drawing a cut crease with the same concealer and using a flat concealer brush from Pro Arte. This will clean up the eyelid and create a canvas for the next eyeshadows. Then I am going to use my fingers to blend out the outer edges of the concealer. Then using a loose powder, I am going to apply it on the top of the concealer. Next, for glitters, I am using the Beauty Glaze glitter palette. I am taking this gorgeous glitter and tap this right on the eyelid, and it looks so beautiful. As you can see, I didn't apply it on the outer corner. Next, for eyeliner, I am using the Faces Canada liquid eyeliner, and I am going to draw a nice winged eyeliner. I really like this eyeliner because it has a fine tip, so it's really helpful to get that precise winged eyeliner. Then I'm applying a nude eye pencil on my lower waterline. This is from Rimmel London. This will give our eyes a different look. Now taking a pencil brush, and I'm going to complete the lower part of my eyes. First, I'm taking the mix of these two shades which we applied on the outer corner and run through that to the lower lash line. Then with a small blending brush, I'm going to smudge the colors together. For mascara, I am using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara and apply it on my lower as well as upper lashes. You can complete the eye makeup with just applying mascara, but I'm going to add some falsies from Europcal Cosmetics, and that completes the whole look. I really like the eye look. This is so beautiful and sparkly. I hope you like this tutorial too, and let me know in the comment section below what you think. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.